Yes, my peeps, what up, what up? Yeah, all the while you see how me get the jerk pan. See it there? I just piece of napkin, this a piece of tissue from the bathroom. Yeah, whether you want to use piece of napkin from the kitchen or piece of tissue from the bathroom, anyone you want to use with any cooking oil. Yeah? Just like how me do that now, piece, me just light it. Yeah. You see that fire? Yeah, when fire come in, then you just take time, pack some coal on it. Easy does it. Don't overpack it. You just want to pack some coal on it. Make him catch up. That's how I catch my coal stove or the wood fire. Easy does it. You kind of want to rest the coal them on one another. Yeah. After you start pack them down there, you just rest them on one another. See, you have that there and you have this up here, you just rest it like so. See it? In a real life. So, fire go and catch up here now. Fire go and catch up here now. Fire go and catch up here now. Yes, peeps. No, say more make some vegetable patty. I just something I put in it still. Just couple. Just I put cabbage and like carrot in it and onion, garlic, scallion, thyme. So first I go through and clean up the cabbage. Take off the dead skin them and cut out the middle part because you know say it's tough, you don't want it. Yeah. See it? This is hard. Yeah man, it's tough like a rock. So you don't want that. So after you get rid of that, you know say them they can go one side. All of this are the cabbage now. You can shred your cabbage how you want to shred it. You know them way there? Because me I shred my own how me want to shred it. So you just put him down like all side and you just go through and dice him up. Yeah, me never give him a thread this morning. Me just go through and dice him up. You see it? If you really want to thread it, you just put on your cabbage still and go as thin as possible. As thin as possible to the front, and you end up with thread cabbage. Nice pretty thread cabbage. But through a yard man style, I'm not there on the pretty thread cabbage and now I just a bust up cabbage. Yeah. In a real life. Yeah, man, you just go as near as possible to the edge and you just rub the knife, peeps. And you get your thread cabbage. See? But me know the pan thread cabbage more there now. Alright, so see them there? That's our cabbage. That wash off. So cabbage there so. And you know say come in with some fresh scallion you know. Just let me see them here. Scallion out type picture. And some garlic same way too. See, just clean up the garlic same way. See, you dice them up. Garlic can go as fine as possible, you know, peeps. Yeah. See it? Yeah, I'm a purple onion. Try it out now. First, I'm gonna try me no peeps. Yeah, man. See it? Look good. Pan it, peep. Do it like that. Wow. Good old okra. Yeah, easy does it. Just grate a carrot in and now, peeps. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, peeps, look at this now. Yeah. So all of this now, I'm going to steam down. Then I put it in the patty. So catch it when it's up on the fire. Wow, look at it, peeps. Smelling lovely. Looking lovely also. I tell you say, I get some original coconut oil and I tell you say coconut oil make it smell wonderful. So you know, so while this going to steam now, I'm going to knead up my flour. Yeah, so this going to niggle it. Yeah, man, and upon the jerk pan, I chew it, peeps. Yeah, if you never know why a jerk pan smoke, because the juice and the water coming out of the chicken. So look at it now. See, the fire is catch up and no smoke coming out of the jerk pan because you have no chicken or you have no pork or nothing like that in it. If you understand what I mean, you know what I mean. You see it. So pan this and now no one put the patty them. You see it. Sunrise no style. Yeah, man, and you know when anything we do is shot. So cover back that and pay attention right here. What going on now, Jerry? And the last night you showed me say you're a strong boy, you can pull the juice. I'm coming, see it, kid. Alright, peeps, see it? Yeah, man, I have some flour, some white flour. Should have sieve him, but can't bother sieve him now. And I sieve him more nice, is it? Chewing some jerk season. Throwing some baking powder so I'm soft and fluffy and nice. I tip in some salt already and I think I want to get like a caramel. Help back up the color, make the color bright. Yeah, and want to get some curry. Yeah, curry are going to make him color up. Yes, so you see all of that now, peeps. You know, so I just going to throw in some water and start with the mixture. Yeah, see it? By this, you go so. Then you this now. Start throwing some water, peeps, and you make your dough. Yeah, that me I go through you now and do. Make up my own. Peeps, and I tell you, say your pot over this you smell nice. As from today, a straight natural cooking oil in our kitchen, peeps. Right now, neighbor must have said, what Sunrise cooking in the kitchen? It smells finger licking. Yeah, man, that's the thing of the natural coconut oil, is it? So I go through and now and finish sort out this. Easy by easy does it. You see my peeps? Yeah, man, so you think so. Okay, peeps. So look, see? Yeah, see how I have the color? Yellowness. Yeah, how we get that. Yeah, man. So you know the thing set. Wipe off this so. Throw some flour did it. Just kind of dusty here. We are go roll him, because yes, I'm going to roll him. Amount of things I do on this away tire. See it, peeps? Not real life. Busting with my knife. Yes. See it, peeps? So just catch him on a roll. Yardman style, listen up, peeps. So if you know not good for say, don't say it. We have to try things off our own, don't. Yeah, put them there aside. Totally ready for them. You see this one now. This one now you press out. You need to buy a roller in real life. Well, see the people find a roller and quick and fast. Yeah man, my thing when I use deal with me. If you beat out me season them, yes, you know, so I know say no piece where I put the thing that will just cook up. And you know, give me a little fight too, you know. I really want to do that video here. I'm starting, you know, make sense. Me not any. But rain come like you know want me any peeps. See there? Yes. See? Yeah man. So if you go on in this now I put in the stuff and then I fold it. Sunrise style. Okay, see stuff and now peeps done steam. Looking nice, tastes lovely. See now? Yes. Easy does it, peeps. You cover one side. Yes. Then come to a process where you have to get your fork. Yeah, the fork. Now it go seal it up. Alright, I'm going way over here so. Where the one flyer come from the building top, see it now peeps. The fork just go seal it up here now. All juice are run out tie. So that means if you want the stuff where you put in here, you can make it dry enough peeps. Yeah, instead of you put in with some juice, you make it dry, but more my one wet. So you see look now, it's a good look peeps. Then I put him on the grill, just pep him up back. Whoa. Yes peeps. You know say this, you know I go on the grill. This I got jerk. I jerk me say, yeah man, it I got grill peeps, you know in a real life. Yes peeps, rain coming on my room peeps. And I should say rain coming out the kitchen peeps. Yeah man, just run from my roof. There's some serious rain up there and come like you want to stop my vlog. Like you know what me do what me I do after me feel a little energy. And so me I go make me think come like the rain and stop me. You can't cuss it, you know, Father God work. We could never cuss the rain. It a work and me a work. So I just like. So me just come out a flatter surface. Yeah. You see it peeps? Yeah man. Look good man. You bust him up. Flick him. And you do the same thing. Dust him up so over here so you can do it like this. See it? Yeah. Look good peeps. Yes. So now I put the sauce right in the middle. Yes peeps, right in the middle I have to put the sauce here. See? Yeah. Then you just stir it over. Whoops. Whoops. Use on and kind of press the end first, seal him up. Then you flick him. Then you do what the people? You flick him. See it? Juice running out. Yeah man, see that? Juice are run out tight peeps. But see them look? Yeah man, they just get a fork And you do this. Seal him off. See juice around? Yeah man, I like when I do it on the juicy peeps. So this one I do now I seal it off, you see? But I like when it's juicy. Yeah man, see juice around in a real life. Yeah man. See them look? Yes, ready for the grill. Sunrise style. We ain't playing around here peeps. Just piece of rain come again. Can't make them wet up peeps. Now if I hide them, rain it come again peeps. John know. I get some rain in the morning but I just jar. Yes peeps, I first one this one put in, you know. Just turning. And look good. Rain a soft up my thing them now peeps in a real life. See? And just take up nice. Yes, it's in a real life. And just come up nice. Put them right there, peeps. Yes. Yo, here rain a drop on the file paper. I have to go lock it down, peeps. But see how they look there? Yeah, man, so. Let them go and do them thing. January style. Sun I gonna come out still in about I just Father God works. But look how they look good, man. I don't know that style here. Sunrise not playing no peeps and that thing are chatting. Just show me now have the time. But all of them if you look decent like all the one in the middle. So no worry on yourself peeps. All it more video coming out with them here. Sunrise style. In a jerk pan. Yeah man. See cloud. Sun a fight to come out. Yeah, man, it's a rainy look today, my friends. In a real life. I just works. When you see the rain, it's a fall. Works. Yeah, man, in a real life, peeps. While I go place rain, I have to run. Wow. Yeah, this is our first one going, peeps. Look at this. This look damn good. Yeah man, them are come on to peeps. You think we playing? Look on it, the jerk pan now smoke peeps. So you don't know what going on now peeps. At this I'm outside. Jerking thing same way. I'm jerk me pork and me bake. Yo, I'm gonna do a lot of baking in this. I go shake up the world. You hear me? Yeah man. In a real life. And you know if you turn all them then up peeps you want something long and like this, you can just push under it so and you control it, see? Yes man. And what did the man here man? See that bus open? And the juice do that, that's why I like when it's juicy. Homemade patty to juicy. See? You just take time push it on like it. See? When the juice around there so peeps, lad. God, you know some people they know and say, yo, I'm sorry, say me know they run the side of Sunrise to get all piece of that, you know. You just imagine how it tastes. Look the peeps. Good day. Yo. Yo, tree ain't even know, you know. Yo. Yo, tree ain't even know, you know. Yo, Sunrise are best, you know. Yo, don't play, man. Anything you put your mind to, you can do it. Yardman style. In a real life, yes man, you know what that's the thing the peeps, we don't play around here. No time, we don't do what peeps, we don't play around here man. Yeah man, sweet Jamaica. Sometimes you have rain, you have sun, you. I just say things set. Yeah man, I tell you say, them are going to eat good. Son are going to love it. In a real life. All this one I turn in. All this one I take on here long. So this one I can take up in a peep. See there? Look on that. Look at that people. Whoa, watch here peeps. Watch here. Soft and nice. That's where the baking powder come in peeps. Yo, Sunrise. Oh my god! See them all a tear. If that part that tear, me know say that part you not tear. I throw that piece a come off, that little edge a come off, and that's why this a tear. Look at this peeps. Look at this peeps. Naked beef. Look at him juicy. Jesus, my God. Look at him peeps. Look at him juicy. Look at him. Whoa. Put him down. Yeah man, let them go on. Simmer down. Hey. Yeah man. Not real life peeps. So I'm gonna tell me what it tastes. I'm gonna love it. Sure that say I'm gonna love it. See it peeps? So they look. Yeah man, don't try this at home. Don't take a chef to do this. Going down the States. Yeah man, this is gonna be for my son. But drop this in a plate for him right now. You think we play? Yeah man, we ain't playing, my friend. Yes sir, this is a year one sir. Paddy Pete, take a little bite. Take a little bite. Take a little bite. Jamaican flag in the background. Jerry, you're gonna love it, bro. I know you're gonna love it. No, don't care nothing. Eat everything. That's vegetable. It's good for you. You don't have to push a whole in your mouth, but everything that's inside, it's vegetable. Don't pick on nothing. Everything is inside. Can eat, okay? You see what daddy do it? Look, see it? Daddy does. If you come here and you request this from Sunrise, you don't answer nothing. My name is Australia come out nice. Now jerk pan my child people bad. Me not lie.